A lot of videos focus on the up-hand grip, which you do need. You have to have wrist integrity in order to get the hand integrity out there and own that at release point. But, one of the things that I've figured out is, okay, so what connects the shoulder girdle to the hip girdle? Your lat. What connects your pelvis to your low back, your hamstrings? So when you watch that follow through, that side off, that Wakefield used to do, even Tom Candiotti, if any of you guys know who that is, that fall off, that is a deceleration of the hamstring, and that's a deceleration of the lat. So you can kind of guide that ball in, and at your release point, now, as that's all decelerating, now you're just getting to this point of focusing on getting to our release and being consistent with that. Your arm slot's going to be different. I think, in my own research, the best knuckleball pitchers kind of fall around that 3/4, because if you go over the top, you're more likely to spin. It's hard to hold the ball on top and not get down on it, and it's hard to come underneath the ball and not get up on it. So 3/4 arm slot is really important. Start from the stretch. If you can do the windup, you can do the windup, but it's really not necessary, because at the end of the day, people are going to be on base. So it's more efficient to learn how to do this from the stretch. The next time we'll go over some of the grips, and like I was saying, some of the videos, they're not sliders. It's how to make the ball slip, and it's how to make the ball kind of cut a little bit, and that all has to do with how you hold the ball, because the wrist is always going to be the same with a knuckleball. This does not change. This will never change. Where you hold the ball will change, and then the air is going to do its thing. So we'll just kind of go from there. All right, see you next time.